there again, everyone. Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here again on my channel. I have another purely Dollar Tree DIY for you. And yes, it's another multi-purpose organizational unit. I'm going to be using this cabinet shelf. I need 2 of this. And you've seen me use this in my pantry organization. And I will be using this kind of like a riser to create the shelf. And I will need 3 of these acrylic trays. And as you can see, this tray can sit really comfortably on top of this cabinet shelf. You can start this off with just $2 and just have this on top. You can either hot glue it or use epoxy or E6000 and then glue it in place so that it's not going to fall off and it's sturdier that way. And then you can just put whatever at the bottom. But for a better finish, I think starting off with the $3, because you can put this at the bottom and then insert this on top. Okay, so let me just remove this tag here. I just wanted to show you the product label so that you know where to find it. It's actually in the kitchen aisle where you can find the utensils for the kitchen, and they're usually placed at the bottom shelf, okay, of the Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be applying a generous amount of glue on underneath each of this rubberized foot. And as you can see, I also have my DIY glue gun stand here. If you haven't seen my tutorial on that one, I'm linking it up here as well. Trying to make sure that you see me do this. You gotta be quick because hot glue dries fast. The good thing about hot glue, it dries clear. Okay, don't mind about those webs. You can remove them later on. So you can reposition it quickly, and whatever excess amount that you may have placed on your system, you can actually remove it. And I'm just reinforcing this one because it dried up quicker for me. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. So reinforce it as much as you can, especially if you are going to be putting so much weight on this one. So for this other one, the one that I'm going to be putting on top, I suggest that you just put glue. I wouldn't suggest putting glue on this side because this is not an exact fit and then you will see the glue, okay? So what I'm thinking is just apply glue on some sections here where you could see through here. So you could see this marks here, right? So I'm going to be applying glue here, and even glue here. As you can see, I am applying the hot glue along the area where it has that opaque design, and I try to center it as much as possible. And to reinforce it further, I applied additional hot glue underneath so that the shelf wire or cabinet shelf is adhering securely onto the back of the acrylic. You glue this on top. Now the good thing about this shelf, it's not too hard that you can still manipulate it if you think that, you know, it's not lining up. Okay, so you can adjust it so that it can fit flush. So I'm just repeating the process until I have enough cabinet shelf and acrylic tray on top. So currently what I'm trying to do is just 3 shelves total so that I have 3 compartments. And yeah, I think that's enough, but I think you can do it as high as you want to, as long as you have the height space, as long as you can do it vertically. If you want to use any metallic type color from bronze, silver, yellow gold, rose gold, copper, whatever you can find. Or if you want to change the white into black or brown or any color, even pastel like pink or purple. For me, the white and acrylic looks just fine. And this whole setup cost me $5, $3 for the trays, and the shelf $2 because I only used 2. So let me know about this latest DIY. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Please share this video to whoever may need this. And this is another versatile multi-purpose organizer that you can use around the house, whether it's in your kitchen, your home office, your craft room, your laundry room, under your sink, if you want to put things here under your sink, and also even in your beauty room. You can use this on your vanity in your beauty room to hold your makeup, etc. So now let's test it for weight. Okay, so here's the final product in action, and I can tell you right off the bat that this is a lot sturdier than the other one that I created. However, like I said, the other one is still good for tight or narrow spaces. This one has more capacity and can carry the load, because the other one you have to be careful about putting heavy load on the top. And this one, I have looked at these different sizes of canned goods as an example. This is like a jumbo or extra large cream of mushroom. There are 3 at the back here. And then these are the medium size cans. And on the middle shelf here, I have 4 medium size cans. See here, there's a chicken broth there at the back in front of the, behind this evaporated milk. And the bumblebee chunk-like tuna cans, I have stacked 2 rows of 3. I mean, I have 6 pieces here. I stacked 3 at a time. But if you see here, let me just show you. I have room for 1 more, to be honest. Let's see here. I was just trying to make them look even, but I have room. I have enough clearance to add 1 more here. Okay, so yeah. And then at the bottom, I have those Vienna sausage, you know, those smaller canned goods here, as well as the mackerel. And I have another medium-sized can here. And all in all, I counted them because I stacked some of them. There are 30 cans in here, and it can carry the weight. So I'm really happy at how it turned out. So go to your Dollar Tree, grab yourself some, and then create some of your organizing unit, just like this one. So again, this is Josie from Life at 50 and Beyond, thanking you for joining me here in my channel. Please click subscribe, like, and comment down below. Have a great day, everybody. Talk to you on my next video. Bye-bye.